Embark on a blending adventure anytime, anywhere with the best portable blender. This compact dynamo isn't just a kitchen gadget, it's a smoothie savior, a travel companion, and a blending maestro. Unleash your creativity on the go and blend your way to flavorful freedom. All mentioned products links in the description. Cuisinart Evolution X RPB 100. Introducing the Cuisinart Cordless Compact Blender, a game changer in portable blending. This sleek and lightweight marvel embodies versatility, offering the power of a regular blender in a compact, rechargeable design. Boasting a convenient LED indicator, it keeps you informed about the battery status, ensuring you're never caught off guard. With a generous 20 minutes of blending time per charge, indulge in countless smoothies and beverages on the go. The assembly is a breeze with its simple twist-and-go mechanism. Blend effortlessly, pause with a shake, and resume. Creating creamy concoctions has never been more enjoyable. Complete with dishwasher-safe components and a travel lid, this blender seamlessly combines power, convenience, and style. Elevate your blending experience with the Cuisinart Cordless Compact Blender, a must-have for those who crave perfection on the movie. Blend Jet 2. Embrace the blend revolution with the Blend Jet 2, a portable blender that redefines on-the-go blending. With an impressive 16 Oz capacity, this sleek powerhouse offers more than just convenience. It boasts a powerful motor, effortlessly conquering everything from frozen fruits to ice cubes. The BlendJet 2's upgraded USB-C connection, extended battery life, and measured side markings showcase its commitment to user-friendly innovation. Say goodbye to compromise and hello to versatility as this blender effortlessly adapts to your active lifestyle. Whether you're craving a refreshing smoothie after a workout or indulging in a fruity blend on a sunny day, the BlendJet 2 promises a seamless blending experience. Elevate your on-the-go nourishment and make every sip a celebration with the BlendJet 2, a worthy companion for the modern blend enthusiast. Blender X Cordless Portable Blender. Introducing the Blender X Cordless Portable Blender, a true game changer in the world of blending innovation. This sleek powerhouse liberates you from cords, enabling seamless blending anywhere, from camping trips to morning rituals. With a quick charge time of 3.5 hours via the compact DC charger, it's primed for on-the-go adventures. Boasting a durable aluminum housing, it rivals traditional blenders in performance, despite its cordless design. The Blender X impresses with its versatility, effortlessly crushing ice for refreshing frappuccinos and smoothies. Its compact size and efficient blade design make it a breeze to carry, and the inclusion of a waterproof bag adds a rugged touch. Elevate your blending experience with the Blender X, where convenience meets excellence in portable blending. Legal Bravo Go. Elevate your blending experience with the Legal Bravo Go, an embodiment of excellence in portable blending. This sleek and powerful device redefines convenience, boasting a compact design without compromising on performance. The Bravo Go stands out with its robust motor, effortlessly tackling everything from frozen fruits to ice. Its innovative construction includes detachable components for easy cleaning and a lid that doubles as a stand. The LED screen adds a touch of sophistication, providing real-time updates. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, a traveler, or a busy professional, the Bravo Go seamlessly fits into your lifestyle. Indulge in a blend of power and style. Unleash the potential of on-the-go nutrition with Legal Bravo Go. NutriBullet Pro 900. Elevate your blending experience with the NutriBullet Pro 900, a true gem in the world of health and convenience. Boasting a robust 900-watt motor and a sleek one-speed operation, it simplifies blending to perfection. The no-fuss design eliminates buttons, making it effortlessly intuitive. Just push down to unleash its power. With 15 essential pieces, including oversized cups and resealable lids, it's a versatile companion for health enthusiasts. Crafted with BPA-free plastic, it guarantees safety while prioritizing durability. Compact and space-friendly, the NutriBullet Pro 900 transforms your kitchen into a wellness haven. If you seek efficiency, power, and a seamless blend of functionality, this blender is a must-have for your health journey. NutriBullet Go. Elevate your blending experience with the NutriBullet Go, a true game-changer in portable nutrition. This cordless wonder boasts a sleek design and a powerful USB-C input, making it the epitome of convenience. With razor-sharp blades that effortlessly pulverize ingredients, it transforms your smoothie routine into a seamless delight. The automatic shutoff ensures safety and ease of use, while the spill-proof cap and straightforward cleanup add to the practicality. Embrace the freedom to blend on the go without compromising on power or efficiency. The NutriBullet Go is more than a blender. It's your daily companion for quick, delicious, and nutritious creations, making it a must-have for those who value health without sacrificing convenience. The original Magic Bullet. The original Magic Bullet stands as a timeless kitchen marvel, earning its status as one of the best blenders available. Its compact and lightweight design makes it a versatile countertop companion for any kitchen. With a buttonless interface, it offers a user-friendly experience, requiring a simple push-down action for smooth blending. Despite its release in 2012, this blender boasts consistent performance and remains a reliable choice for quick and easy drinks like smoothies or protein shakes. The package includes essential components like cups, lids, and a recipe guide, enhancing its value. While it may lack the advanced features of newer models, its enduring popularity speaks to its worthiness as a trusted and efficient blending solution for daily culinary adventures. Ninja NutriPro Compact Personal Blender. Unleash the power of nutrition with the Ninja NutriPro Compact Personal Blender, a game-changer in the world of healthy living. This sleek powerhouse offers a compact design that belies its incredible capabilities. With a robust 900-watt motor, it effortlessly transforms fresh ingredients into silky smooth beverages, turning fruits and vegetables into nutrient-packed delights. The blender's Pro extractor blades crush through seeds, stems, and skins, ensuring you get the most from every ingredient. Whether you're crafting energizing smoothies, indulging in homemade sauces, or creating wholesome juices, this blender's versatility knows no bounds. Its convenient size makes it perfect for personal use, and the dishwasher-safe components ensure easy cleanup. Elevate your wellness journey with the Ninja NutriPro. More than a blender, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Hamilton Beach Personal Creations. Unlock a world of culinary creativity with the Hamilton Beach Personal Creations Blender, a kitchen essential that seamlessly combines power and versatility. This compact dynamo isn't just a blender, it's your culinary companion for crafting personalized smoothies, shakes, dressings, and more. With its user-friendly design and one-touch operation, blending becomes a breeze. No need for complicated settings. The 14-ounce blending jar doubles as a travel cup, allowing you to take your creations on the go. Whether you're a health enthusiast or a culinary adventurer, this blender effortlessly tackles ice, frozen fruits, and leafy greens, ensuring consistently smooth results. Its dishwasher-safe components simplify cleanup, making it a time-saving addition to your kitchen. Elevate your culinary experience with the Hamilton Beach Personal Creations Blender, a compact powerhouse that sparks creativity and delivers exceptional performance. Thanks for watching.